Hi guys, and welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lace, and today we are going to be undecorating our fall decor and cleaning up this house because it is a mess. And if you are new here, my name is Lace, and I am a mother of 3. I have a 14-year-old son and twin boys who are 4. On my channel, I do anything between clean with me, cook with me videos, home renovation, DIY projects, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if you like that type of content, make sure to stick around and give my channel a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love to get to know a little bit about you. Leave a comment down below and letting me know where you're watching from and something fun about you.
Let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna die.
So I'm starting in the living room. There's not much here, just a little bit on the mantle and then the flower arrangement that I made, and that's about it. And I'm just gonna turn this sign around, and now look at that, I decorated for Christmas. You probably won't see me decorating for Christmas for another couple weeks or so. I just can't get behind decorating so early and then keeping it up for months.
I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you.
I've always loved putting on loud music when I am cleaning, and I just happen to dance a little bit, and it makes the time go by so much faster, and it's just a lot of fun. So now I'm just going to vacuum this hallway and put this chair away. And of course, in every single room, I'm always going to find Hot Wheels laying around from the boys. They love Hot Wheels. So I'm going to throw that into the playroom. And now we're moving on to the dining room and taking off the tablescape from all my Halloween decor. So I kept it pretty simple. I put like a Halloween garland on, and then I bought these little skulls from Target Dollar Spot and painted them blue and black. And I got this at Walmart for only like $2, and I thought it was so cute. It's a hand with a spider on it, and it's a candle holder.
So I'm gonna dive into you. I don't really need new friends, so spend your time.
If you're interested in how we created this herringbone pattern wall behind us, I will leave it in the cards right above right now.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close. We'll do you good, 'cause I'm golden.
So this box in the corner here is the mirror to the bathroom upstairs. We are currently remodeling the hallway bath, and we have gotten a lot of our things from online, and they're slowly arriving. So right here I am taking out all the leaves and the pumpkins from my bouquet in the front, switching out my wreath on the door, taking off the Halloween one and putting back on the fall wreath, and then I will soon be taking out the Christmas wreath to put that on. Abel is here helping me clean the hallway. He is vacuuming for me, and then he will be helping me clean the playroom in a few minutes.
We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
This room is always a disaster. Right after we get done cleaning it, about 10 minutes later, it's right back to where it is. But luckily we have it organized pretty well that it's not that hard to clean up. It's just trying to keep them focused and making sure that they put away things when they are done playing with it. But if you know anything about twins, sometimes they can just be unruly, kids just in general, and they will take everything out when they're playing, and yeah. So it's a never-ending story, a never-ending battle, but we're gonna get it done.
Feels like the two of us are golden, gorgeously. Want to hear good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I'm golden.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted.
So now that I'm done vacuuming, we are going to be moving on to the kitchen, and it's not too bad in here. I just got done cleaning it really well the day before, but there's still a couple of things on the counter just from day-to-day use. So we're going to be putting those things away.
Don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you.
So is there a certain spot in the house that's your favorite to clean? Mine probably would have to be the kitchen, just because I feel like everything has a spot. There's always somewhere to put it, and it just, the house in general looks so much better when your kitchen is clean. The rest of the house could be torn up, but if the kitchen's clean, then everything else just doesn't look as bad. And right here you're going to see me adding some water to the pot. I am currently making some chicken noodle soup so that we can have for lunch. And then I'm going to finish up putting everything away off the counters, straightening up, adding some chicken to the chicken noodle soup. This is leftover chicken from the day before. I made a rotisserie chicken in the foodie, and nothing ever goes to waste in this house. So here you can see all the chunks of meat, and really starting to smell good in the house. I'm just going to add a couple of the bouillon cubes and let that simmer while I continue to clean and undecorate. So now I'm moving on to the coffee bar and undecorating this area. There's not a lot going on here, so it won't take me too long.
Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away.
Another broken plate.
So I'm not gonna lie, I might sound like a broken record, but I'm still really proud of myself for making this coffee bar hutch and not looking homemade. Like, it actually looks like a piece of furniture. So, you know, now we're gonna move on to the hallway, just picking up the shoes that always get left right there. And then here we have a couple items for the bathroom: a matte black faucet We got that from Lowe's, and then I bought these towel hooks from Amazon. I just thought that they were really modern and sleek, and they just kind of hang or on the wall, and then your towels just hang right off of them. And I just thought that they were really cute and not too like frilly and loopy and all those things. And I have my little helper Abel again, wanting to help clean. He is the kid that will point at something and let you know it's dirty and that it needs to be clean. So this is something that he enjoys doing once in a while, is helping me out, and I'm teaching him here how to clean the toilets, and he seemed to really enjoy it, and I enjoyed the company, so we had fun doing that.
I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can stay. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you.
So now I'm just going to change out the towel in here and then just kind of get things nice and clean in these little cubbies and make sure everything is in its place. And then the last thing I'll be doing in here is cleaning the mirror. Once I was done in there and I went to go take out the trash, I noticed that the mirror in the hallway was pretty dirty, so I stopped to clean that. Now I'm just emptying out the trash can for the bathroom, and we're going to be moving back to the kitchen. I forgot to clean the refrigerator, and it just had so many handprints and gunk stuck from people's hands and touching it, and it was pretty gross. So I'm just gonna scrub that out and make it nice and shiny.
Even the words can stay. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
So now I'm just putting away the wet dog food and taking care of the recycling and the trash.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind.
I'm just gonna head to the living room and grab these boxes of Halloween and fall decor and bring them to the basement, and then I am done. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so I got quite a bit done, but right now it is lunchtime, so we are going to eat that chicken noodle soup that I showed you earlier right here. And then we're gonna run a couple more errands today. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you got a lot of motivation and you got something done in your house today. Got the entire downstairs done. And I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye-bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Right time 5. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. Watching our video. Leave comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe to our channel. So, and clap.
What? Clap.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Make sure you comment below your mom's channel.
And like what they said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.